Quadrant make 3-phase current injection test kit model QRTK-3. It is also called as secondary injection test kit. 3-phase input supply and MCB provided at side panel of the test kit. Test on and test off push switch and indicator provided for ease of operation. These are relay contact terminals. It can be connected to measure change over time of protection system. Microcontroller based time interval meter provided for change over time measurement. User can set the range of the time. User also can set default NO or NC state. 3 variac for each R, Y and B phase given for setting 3-phase current. 3-phase current meter to display set and applied current. Colored output current terminals. We'll see operation. Press test on. On test on, timer will start. Set desired current of all 3-phase one by one. For demonstration, we are shorting the relay terminals. Immediately test will be stopped and applied current will be removed. Timer will display time interval of the test.